Looks amazing. Okay, let's get started.
Is it really that easy?
Yes, it's time to find some more gaps and cracks.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
What are you doing out there?
I'm just checking out the construction of this tiny house.
Well, you can't really see what I'm doing from over there, so do you want to come on in and see?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Amazing, come on in. Oh, hey, welcome.
I made it. So, are you some sort of contractor or something?
Funny you should ask. No, I'm not. I bake pies, and I'm a friend of Renee's.
What are you doing helping someone do construction when you're a pie baker?
Well, I am a really good friend.
So talk me through, what are you doing?
I am filling a big gap around this dryer vent.
And why big gap filler for a newbie like you?
Well, this is the most forgiving Great Stuff product, I think, because it is for big gaps. This fills spaces up to 3 inches, so there's a little bit more room for error. However, this reusable Smart Dispenser does give me a ton of control. I feel like I can be precise. It stops when I stop. I'm gonna give it a shake, and I'm gonna hold the can upside down.
Is it going into the gap there, like
Yeah,
pretty far?
exactly, and then it's expanding out, and as it cures, it's actually gonna expand a little further.
You feel good?
I feel okay. I feel like I could use a little more practice in the loft. You got up here fast.
I'm pretty quick.
All right, here we go.
Why are you sealing this big gap?
I'm blocking this gap to keep insects out, to keep moisture out, and to keep allergens out. All right, we'll let that dry.
Done.
Thank you so much for your help.
I really appreciate your help.
All right, I'll see you later.
Fist bump.